So, once you have crafted a conversion-focused tweet, set up your Twitter advertising account or set up your conversion tracking for your website, you're ready to start creating your first promoted tweets campaign. And the first step in that process is selecting the right ad product or the right type of promoted tweet. As you can see, when you select an option and click on the button Create New Campaign, you're given a whole range of options. Simply select the ad type that you want to know more about to understand the difference between each. When you press select on each of these options here, a new page will open up to tell you more about that particular option. I will preview 3 of those for you on the next slide. So once you've done that and once you've been through each of these options, choose the option that best suits your objective. For example, what we have here is you could choose the Twitter engagements option, and that enables you to reach more people and drive conversation. So you then target it and build for retweets and favorites and replies and that sort of thing. The website clicks or conversions option sends people directly to your website where they can purchase a product or sign up for your mailing list, for example. The app installs or app engagements option get people to install or engage with your mobile app. The followers option helps you grow your community on Twitter, and leads on Twitter helps you collect emails from people who express an interest in your offer. If you're promoting a 2-for-1 offer, for example, or a free guide on how to do X, Y, and Z, you can offer that up as a lead on Twitter ad platform or ad product, and Twitter will send you the user's details who express an interest in your offer directly, so it's a nice and easy conversion point for them. You can see here I've highlighted a few of the options that are available to you when you press on that select button next to each ad type. The first one that we'll talk about is the followers option on the top left. And when you press the select button next to the followers option on that previous screen, you're taken through to a screen that will show you what your audience sees, where they will see it, and also how your campaign is optimized. So for example, for the followers option, it says where they see it. Targeted users will see ads in their timelines and who to follow suggestions. How it's optimized, campaigns will be optimized and charged for followers. So at that point, you are paying Twitter for each new follower you get. If one of your core objectives is to grow your Twitter following, this may be the right option for you. Website clicks and conversions on the top right, you can see what your audience sees, and it explains to you what your audience will see when you select that particular ad option. It explains to you where they will see it, and in this case, users you target will see your ads in their timelines and in search results. And how it's optimized. Campaigns will be optimized and charged for website link clicks. The app installs or app engagements option at the bottom here gives you a bit more information around how that particular product works. What your audience sees, so the clicks on the image and button takes the users to download your app or open your app up if they already have it. Where they will see it tweets in their mobile timeline, and how it's optimized is your campaign will be optimized and charged for clicks to install or open your app. So here we've covered off 3 of the potential 5 different advertising products that Twitter offer. Once you have been through each one of these options and read exactly what it is the user will see and how they will see it, and of course how the campaign will be optimized, you can then move on and get started with the ad product that's going to be right for you. To get started, what you will need to do is name the campaign, so give it a name that's relevant to the goal you're trying to achieve. For example, newsletter sign up or webinar registration or product range X if you're trying to drive direct sales, for example. Once you've named the campaign, select the start and end dates you want that campaign to run from, or whether you want to run these ads continuously until you decide to stop them. Once you've done that, you can either write your tweet or choose from an already existing tweet. Now, we will talk more about how to write tweets and the sort of nuances that enable your tweets to be far more effective in a later lecture, but for now you can either write the tweet that you've been working on, a conversion optimized tweet, or if you already have one that you think is absolutely perfect, you can select that option. What I suggest you do at this point is pause this lecture, Go to the Twitter ads dashboard, start playing with and reading more about the different ad types that will be suitable for you and your needs based on your objectives. Select that right one and then start setting up that campaign. Name the campaign, set your start and end date, and create your tweet from scratch, or select an existing tweet that you think would be perfect for this promotion. Once you've done that, you'll be ready for the next lecture, and we'll start to talk about targeting your tweets and identifying audiences that you can show your tweets to.